Good morning, this is Jamie with Greenway Pressure Washing, Cherry Hill, New Jersey. I just want to show you our soft wash process real fast, how it works. There's no pressure involved, so it's safe for your home, the environment, doesn't damage anything, and it does an unbelievable job. It's better than high pressure washing because our surfactants have a 100% kill rate, so it kills any organic growth that's growing. Now let's show you, I'm going to soak this fence down now. Organic growth that's growing. Now let's show you, I'm going to soak this fence down now. I don't know if you can see, it's just very low pressure. Won't damage anything. And I'll continue this video in a few minutes when I start rinsing. Okay, so my surfactants have time to dwell, so now I'm going to show you the rinse process. And as you'll see, I can put this right in front of my hand. See that? Won't hurt. It's all low pressure we use. And go ahead and just rinse everything down under nice low pressure. As you can see, that fence looks like new again.